I'm Paweł Czech. I'm the CEO of Intiaro. So 10 years ago, I was leading digital transformations for major corporate customers. It was very interesting. We were introducing a lot of new tech to these companies and trying to change the way they work. The problem was it was very, very slow. I had this feeling that it takes ages to introduce any kind of meaningful change to these corporations. So around the time, one of my friends introduced me to augmented reality, very early incarnations of augmented reality, very crude. It was not really smooth. It was not really operating efficiently, etc. Also around the time, VR headsets started to pop up. Oculus came to existence, and there was a number of other ideas, such as Google Glass, for instance. So all of that was really early. I was by no means certain that it will be any meaningful in any way to the business world. But I was really, really hooked, and I figured that I want to place a bet on this technology. I want to leave my corporate career behind, and I really want to engage in this new concept of human computer interaction that was, in my opinion, change the entire landscape as far as technology. So everything was very limited, in particular as far as hardware, but also as far as software was basically not there. It was not clear the use cases for the technology would be. We decided to focus on the space around you, on interior design and on furniture, because we figured it's very important to be able to imagine how your space is going to look like. So we ventured into the territory of furniture industry. So then when we did that, we discovered that this industry was not digitized at all. So it was not a lot of digital systems out there with these companies, and forget about any 3D assets that are pretty necessary to use any of these technologies. So what we realized that the huge opportunity was in moving everything to 3D, building digital twins of the products of these customers. And this is what we decided to do first, to build a solid foundation in terms of content for the industry. So the progress has been incredible. In these early days, the computer vision algorithms were very, very crude. We had to use paper printed markers to achieve any kind of effect, which when you look from the current perspective was kind of funny, because who would do that? The 3D engines over these years, they made enormous progress, thanks to a large degree to what NVIDIA did with their hardware. So now it's really almost indistinguishable from the reality when you use them. You have AI, of course, everybody's talking about AI. That doesn't really revolutionize the 3D space right away, but it does help a lot in terms of content production and visualization as well. As far as hardware front headsets, so there's no like clear winning solution like iPhone was for smartphone space. What Apple did with the Vision Pro headset it's like a showcase what can be achieved. It's pretty expensive, but it also does show you how much you can achieve with this technology. So it's a kind of forecast of the things to come. So we're all waiting for this moment when lightweight, easy to wear, powerful mixed reality glasses will be released. It's pretty exciting. There's a lot of solutions already out there in the market. They're not fully addressing the problem, but they kind of pave the way for the things to come. So it is pretty exciting. Even today, without specialized hardware, you can use mixed reality directly from your browser using web MR solutions. You can configure a product, for example, like a sofa, put it in your space without installing an app, and it will be quite high quality to be according to the scale. So it's pretty useful. So we're almost there, I think, and in a matter of 2-3 years, the big revolution should come. So the role we envision for Intiaro over these 10 years, it did evolve quite heavily. So our original idea was to introduce a killer app to this augmented/virtual reality space that everybody's going to use. Clearly, no apps like that exist yet. What we figured along the way was that everyone's missing content. Everybody needs digital twins in 3D of the product. So this is how when we discovered that, we decided to pivot the company into this direction. And today I would call our company a visual commerce company that specializes in creating these digital twins with all the options and variants and complexity, and really enables business even today. Today, I believe we have one of the largest databases of 3D digital twins of furniture product in the world. So our ambition is to really be the leader in terms of the 3D digital twin category for the industry. And once we're there, once the progress is made in hardware for mixed reality and in software, and then when there's adoption and people start to use this technology, we'll be there with all the content necessary to play with. So that's our visions, and our customers will also be ready to embrace this opportunity.